Well, despite today's good numbers on Wall Street, the state of Georgia remains on shaky financial footing. Recent numbers from the Department of Labor reveal people working in the food services sector are among the hardest hit during this pandemic. CBS 46's Haley Mason breaks down the bleak outlook for other workers.
Donathan Walker took pride in his job as a professional chauffeur. He was often the face celebrities would see at the airport or waiting for them outside special events.
You know, when you can take somebody safely through Georgia's streets and highways and you drop them off, and there's a certain joy and gratification in my job that comes from what I do.
Today, instead of waiting for clients,
right now I'm sitting in limbo, staying in the house just like everyone else.
He's waiting on the long list of Georgia's newly unemployed, trying to get benefits from the state.
I hate to tell you, I have $1.25 in my account. I have $5 in saving, and I've maximized that just to survive the last 3 weeks.
He's now left to take care of his disabled wife with practically no money and at least 2 more weeks to wait for a payment from an overwhelmed processing system.
Because you're in limbo, you don't know where the income's going to come from, how it's going to come.
It turns out Donovan's industry is one of the hardest hit in Georgia because of the coronavirus pandemic. Looking at a breakdown across the state, accommodation and food services topped the list by far, with more than 65,000 jobs lost in the last week of March. Surprisingly, healthcare and social assistance took a hit next, followed by administrative and support services, then art, entertainment, and recreation, where Donovan works, and then last, retail trade. Across the country, more than 3.5 million people found themselves unemployed in just the last 5 weeks. I took a look at the demographic breakdown and found that 14.3% of the newly unemployed are teens, 4% are adult men, and 4% are adult women. 6.7% are black, 6% are Hispanic, 4.1% are Asian, and 4% are white, all without jobs right now in the middle of a pandemic.
You hear about all this money being put out there, but at the end of the day, you're also hearing that it's going to take months to get here.
Economists and labor officials I talked to recommend looking for work right now in the grocery store and online distribution industries because they are in high demand right now. I have a list of those types of jobs on our CBS 46 streaming app. Reporting in Atlanta, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.